I'm Anna.
And I'm Daniela, and we're from Dubai College.
And this is our video on how animals see the world.
Dogs can only see in yellows, blues and browns because unlike humans who in their retina have 3 different colour sensitive cone cells, red, green and blue, dogs only have 2, yellow and blue. Sharks can only see in black and white because they only have 1 photoreceptor in their retina. Even though they can't see in colour, it is still very easy for them to hunt fish due to their amazing sense of smell. Snakes see the way they do because they have a pit organ between their eyes and their nostrils. They can detect heat directly, which is why they see in these hot colours. They can also see in the darkness, which makes it easier for them to see the prey, attack it, and eat it. Birds can detect colour differences that humans cannot register. The muscles in their eyes can also focus on certain things. So even with many distractions, they can focus on the prey, attack it, and eat it. Fish's eyes are similar to birds and other mammals, but have a more spherical lens. Most fish have colour vision, but some can see ultraviolet. This is so fish can see other colourful fish and eat them easily.